Lian Li just can't stop with the new fans. Next in line we have the new TL wireless models, and I like what they are doing now with wireless connectivity. You are getting updated fans and less cable clutter in your system. Finally, something we have all been waiting for. But not only that, in case you already own any Lian Li product from wireless range like the Streamer V2 cables or SL wireless fans, you can connect all of them at once and use only one controller. So let's unbox these fans and see what's new here. Looking for affordable Windows or Office keys? Look no further, I got you covered. Head over to scdkey.com, pick your Windows edition, use my discount code LE25 to get a 25% on any Windows or Office products. Once you complete your order, after a few seconds you will receive your code. In Windows, go to Settings, there should be an Activate Windows prompt at the bottom. Click that, enter your code and wait for Windows to finish activation. To check the activation status, use the command prompt with the command slmgr.vbs/xpr and you should receive a notification that the machine is permanently activated. Once again, use code LE25 at scdkey.com. As usual, Lian Li learned that you need reverse and regular models at launch, so now you have all of the range available at launch date, which is today by the way. So regular blade fans, both LCD and LED, as well as reverse blade models are available as of now in 120mm sizes for now. Each fan comes with a wireless receiver which only has one cable for powering the fans, so technically not completely wireless because you need electricity for the power. The LCD models also come with additional USB cable for the screen control. Fans are equipped with anti-vibration rubber inserts on all four corners on both sides, which also conveniently hides the screw head. This is a quality of life feature which is appreciated. In terms of looks, the LED strip is going around the sides of the fan frame and slightly goes around the fan's screw areas, so when you connect them in a cluster, it all seems as one large unified RGB area. Plus, the TL fans have the infinity mirror on the side, creating a cool visual effect. But as we all know, these fans are not just for show, they have what it takes to cool your precious PC components. Starting with regular LED fans, these are slightly better performing fans than LCD models due to their blades being made from liquid crystal polymer. They can go up to 2600 RPM for regular models and up to 2300 RPM for the reverse blade models respectively. Static pressure is 3.97mm H2O for the regular fans and 2.66mm H2O for the reverse models. Both of them are similar in terms of how much air they can move, 90.1 CFM versus 83 CFM. These LED models are highly recommended to be used on an AIO, for example, since they are highly capable of pushing and moving a lot of air. The LCD models are slightly lower in performance, mainly because of the LCD screen that sits in the middle of the fan hub and the fact that they use PBT material. Thus, they have speed up to 1900 RPM, air pressure of 2.9mm H2O and 2.83mm H2O for the reverse models, and they can move air at 62 CFM and 54.3 CFM respectively for the reverse model. Acoustically, they are all similar. LCD models are quiet because of the speed range, 27 and up to 31 decibels versus 33 and 34 decibels for the LED models. These are all super quiet. Of course, the LCD models are better looking, there is no doubt about the beauty factor, while using these with the IPS screen that has a resolution of 400 by 400 pixels and 1.6 inch in size. Trust me, everything will look gorgeous on it, starting from the CPU or GPU temperature sensors, various GIF images or static images or even video files. And on top of it all, it has a 60Hz refresh rate screen. To begin with the installation, all you need is a wireless controller dongle that you just plug at the back of your computer and then begin with the fan mounting. As with all Lian Li fans, you can mount fans in a cluster since they all have locking pins on them, which you can remove at the end of a cluster for a cleaner look. Clusters can be up to 4 fans in mixed arrangement too, so you can mix LED and LCD fans together, 2+2 or 3+1, or in case you are using only LCD fans, 3 are the maximum supported in a single cluster. In case of fan mixing, you need to use the LCD cable for connection, but I think this is obvious because of the LCD screens. Okay, as before, the L-Connect software is at the heart of everything. Just sync the fans to the controller and you're done. TL wireless fans will appear in the list, and by clicking on the corresponding place on the fan picture, you are able to control the fan speed, LED lights, and of course what is displayed on the LCD screen. I won't go into details here since this is the same as with every other Lian Li fans, and I think you already know this. So with plenty of RGB effects, you can set sensor display for CPU or GPU temperatures or load and so on your screen, and you can also set animation from either GIFs or video files as well. But the fact remains here, did they improve anything from the last generation? Since technically these are the TLB2 fans, the ones that are also replacing the infinity mirror fans as well. Main thing that I noticed is the improved CPU usage while using the L-Connect, something that was previously plaguing it, and it was around 8 to 10%. But this is now reduced up to 4% only, which is tolerable and acceptable. Materials now are better, tolerances are tighter, and less air is escaping through the fan blades. The biggest improvement is focused on the screen itself, bumped to 60 Hz refresh rate from 30 Hz, 400 by 400 pixels, and improved brightness at 500 nits. So regarding the performance, it remained the same as before, more or less. So the improvements here are mostly focused on wireless connectivity and visual things. Doesn't change the fact that these are great fans, since you can now connect up to 40 fans at once and use only one controller to control everything. 10 channels, 10 separate clusters with 40 max fans and streamer cables as well. Less cable clutter in your system, less mess. On top of that all, if you have any other wireless fans like the SL model, the previous ones, you can control them alongside the TL fans and streamer cables too, so everything can be in one mix and controlled by single controller. The prices are also the same, $149.99 for the triple pack plus wireless controller and all the cables. Single pack plus the receiver is priced at $46.99. The LED models are priced at $99.99 for the triple pack with all the bells and whistles, and $29.99 for single units. In case you need just the wireless controller for some reason, it can be bought for $17.99. Everything is backed up with a 3-year warranty and you can get it starting today. I certainly hope Lian Li will come out with 140mm sizes as well. I know they are less used, but nevertheless, we need it. Hope you liked the video, guys. In case you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, it really helps a lot, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.